Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop or turn off autoplay on social media and browser. Social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and browser such as Google Chrome browser, Microsoft Edge browser, and Firefox browser. You can easily turn off autoplay. How to stop or disable autoplay videos or audios in your Facebook app. If you want to stop automatic playing from your feed, then here are the fixes. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Again choose settings. Thereafter from the left side of menu scroll down and from the left side you will find the option media. Under preferences, click on media. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option autoplay, automatically play videos and GIFs. Disable this feature. Turn off the toggle button to stop autoplay video and audio in your Facebook app. Only apply when you use the Facebook website. This method will not work on Facebook website. This method will only work on your Facebook app. How to stop or disable autoplay video on your YouTube account. If you want to stop autoplay next video, then here are the process. We will see it in browser. Open YouTube app or in browser. Here play any video which you want to play, and here if in between playing your video you can see a small icon appeared here. Just turn the toggle button on or off to enable or disable autoplay. If slide from left to right, it will on, and if you slide from right to left, it will autoplay is off. You will see a message just above on this icon. So easily you can disable or enable autoplay video on your YouTube account. How to stop Instagram videos and reels from autoplaying. The step-by-step guides show you how to disable autoplay on Instagram to save data, reduce distractions, and improve your phone's performance. You can easily minimize or disable autoplay. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Here click on three horizontal lines against top right corner. Here scroll down and go to You and Media section. Scroll down and here you will find your app and media. Here scroll down and you will find the option Media Quality. Tap on it. Tap on Media Quality and here you will find the option Use Less Cellular Data. Using less cellular data may affect your experiment on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So turn the toggle button on to enable this feature. After enabling, your photos and videos may take longer to load. And how to stop or disable autoplay video or audio in your Twitter account, Twitter or X account. Go to your profile icon from the top left corner and here scroll down and tap on settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option accessibility, display and languages. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option data uses. Limit how X uses some of your network's data. Tap on it. Here at the bottom of the page you will find video autoplay. Select when videos should play automatically. Tap on a small icon and choose never. If you want to limited video playing, then only on Wi-Fi and also on cellular or Wi-Fi both. So choose never to stop autoplay video on your Twitter or X account. If you want to completely disable, then simply turn the data saver on. If you turn on data saver, then complete feature autoplay video audio will disabled. How to stop or disable autoplay videos or audio in your Firefox browser. If you want to stop playing automatic video or audio in your Firefox browser, here are the fixes. Open Firefox browser in your system, Windows 11 or 10. Click on 3 horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Here from the appeared menu, scroll down and here go to the section privacy and security. Here scroll down and you will find the option autoplay. Under permissions you will find autoplay options. Click on settings and here click on a small arrow against default for all websites and choose block audio and video, and your audio and video in your Firefox browser will no more playing automatically. See how to stop or disable autoplay audio or video in your Microsoft Edge browser. We will see how to stop it. Open Microsoft Edge browser and here click on 3 horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter click on 3 horizontal line against top left corner and here choose the option privacy, search and services. Here scroll down and you will find the option scroll down site permissions. Click on it. Here you will find all sites, recent activity, all permissions. Click on all permissions and here scroll down and look for the option media autoplay. Here you will find control if audio and video play automatically on sites. Here 3 options available: allow, limit or block. If you want to stop, then choose block, otherwise you can also choose limit. How to stop autoplay on your Google Chrome browser. However, no any direct method to stop autoplay video, but you can mute your video. Here we will see how to mute sounds on your Google Chrome browser. Click on 3 vertical dot against top right corner. Go to settings. Here click on 3 horizontal line from top right left corner and click on privacy and security. Here scroll down and go to site settings. Here scroll down and go to additional content settings. Click on it. Here go to sound and make the check against option don't allow sites to play sound. If you want to stop autoplay video, then you will have to download and add an extension autoplay stopper from Google Chrome extension store. That's all.